Don't look now. Okay, look. My chicken left me. Chicken mom left me for a bigger cock. So I got the replacement chicken. Flo. I'm not Flo. I'm Mo. He's fucking lying. What did you say? I told you to shut up. I paid you chicken feet to lie. Fuck off. Okay, so I've gone beyond mental. Look at the chicken's bum. Look! They ripped it right open. It was not me. Yes, it was. I did? What? I got a drinking problem. Don't drink enough. Yes, I do. Shut up. So, if you've seen this chicken, how you doing? How you doing? Hey, you won't see my sausage. What the shut up, chicken? He's taking over the show. There is no show. Without the audience, there's really no show. Oh, I see. Into my own underwear, there's nothing in there. But I am a teenage lesbian. I'm 18. Oh my goodness, I'm getting it chubby. If I was a teenage lesbian, there's no explaining. It would be like hell right on heaven. I could not get enough. I would be so full of pie. My nipples would explode with excitement. You don't know what that was. I like to say hi to my grandma, all my friends, but I don't have any, so hello anyways. And please don't take me away to the nut house, because I'm going there after the show with Egg Foo Young and his brother Neil. So hello. I got my handbook. Hamsters from Amsterdam. How to felch your hamster. And the ones not to felch. Non-felching hamster. It's very hard to tell. You got to go and brand them. That has like a no felching branding in there, which is a picture of a string hanging off of the hamster and a big sign, him protesting, don't felch me or I'll bite your fucking sphincter, you bastard. Very hard to get that on a brand. But here's food you can use to lure your hamster into your rectum. Hamsterectomy food. Hamsterectomy. Rectomy has all the hell ripped open my screen. That is what they tell me. So this is my liver. Looks like my brown eye. Don't it make my brown eye blue? Speaking of brown eyes blue, weren't you? Did I show you the chicken's bum? Yeah, you did already. Shut up. Okay, I'm going to go because I'm going to have sex with my chicken. And then I'm going to kill it. Maybe I'll kill it Jerry. Chicken Tommy and Murray. Chicken. Oh, I'm gonna kill that fucking chicken. But I don't want to be cruel, so I'll bash its brains in first. Eat it and then I'll have sex with it later. Not the chicken. The hamster. Because you don't want it to be alive. You can put batteries in it, runs around with its ham cam in your rectum. And the rich gears on the side going, no, don't stop, yes, stop. But then I woke up, it was all reality. So mental. You think you're mental? Or you fucking are mental. So, I'm gonna say goodbye to everybody. And if you're a prick, wake up. I stay wake up. If you know how to play things backwards, listen to this. I stay wake up. Not grammar, it's me as head. Observe me here. On. Say, no drug now. Not grammar, it's me as head. Observe me here. In love nods. Stuck again. 10 rub lorak, no drug nub. Not grammar, it's me as head. Look, my brain is right. I can't find it. If you know where my brain is. What was I saying? I swallowed my slacks. I'll do it. The whore. I hear the whore. Oh, where's my money? Uncle, where? The fuck, I never I'm gonna get you, rabbit. Oh.